Hello duelists, welcome back to the Crown Corp channel. My name is Bram, and today I have a very special announcement that I'd like to make. So the new version of the Smart Duel Disc and the Smart Duel Gazer are available. The main new features are Mice deck, attack animations, and also online multiplayer support, which means that you no longer need to set up your own server in order to play, and it also means that you can duel against anyone from anywhere in the world. But on top of that, we decided to start an open beta to test the Duel online multiplayer functionality. And that basically means that everyone now has access to the Smart Duel project. So it doesn't matter if you are an Android user or an iPhone user. As long as you have a smartphone, you can now install everything you need to be able to use the Smart Duel project and duel anyone from around the world. So yeah, I'm going to use the rest of the video to explain to you how you can start with the online beta. And I'm also going to show you some footage of an online multiplayer duel that I had. So yeah, I'm going to start with you iOS users because you deserve some love. So the first thing you need to do is download the TestFlight application from the App Store. TestFlight is an app created by Apple, which is used for beta testing applications. So yeah, you just have to download the TestFlight application on your iPhone or on your iPad. And then what you need to do is click on two links in the description. So one link is to be able to download the Smart Duel Disc. You can join the Smart Duel Disc beta, and then using the TestFlight app, you can download the Smart Duel Disc app. And then the same thing goes for the Smart Duel Gazer app. So the links for those will be in the description. Just to make it clear and simple, open the App Store, download TestFlight, click on the two links that are in the description, and then download the Smart Duel Disc and the Smart Duel Gazer via TestFlight. On Android it's a bit easier because the Play Store allows you to download beta applications. So yeah, for me it says here Smart Duel Disc Vroege Toegang, which means early access in Dutch. So yeah, all you need to do as an Android user is follow the two links in the description to be able to download the Smart Duel Disc and the Smart Duel Gazer. And that's it. So once you have installed the Smart Duel Disc, all you need to do to start a duel is head over to the Duel tab, click on Enter Duel Room, which will connect you to the online Smart Duel server. You need to select a deck first. And then what one person needs to do is click on Create Room, which will create a new room on the server. You can see the room name right here. And also says that you're waiting for your opponent. So yeah, what you need to do now is give this room name to your opponent, and then all your opponent has to do is also enter the duel room, select the same deck or a different deck, doesn't really matter, and then here in room name enter the room code, click on enter room, and that's when the duel will start. So yeah, once the duel has started, you do what you would normally do during a duel. You can drag and drop your cards into place, you can set spells and traps, you can summon monsters. And to be able to trigger an attack, all you need to do is drag your attacking monster over the opponent's monster or their hand zone if you're going for a direct attack. And then you will see a red light surrounding the cards. There is no phase system yet, that's something we'll work on in the future. So it is advised to talk to your opponent via voice chat. And when you lose a duel, what you need to do is click on your deck and surrender. Somehow I forgot to mention it in the setup guide, but you of course also needed to set up the Smart Duel Gazer. And the process is very similar. You just have to enter the duel room, enter the room name, and then you can choose who you want to spectate. You will get a list of two people. The first person in the list is the one who created the room, and the second person is the one who joined the room. So yeah, it's kind of self-explanatory, but if you need a guide, I created a video recently when offline multiplayer support was added, which explains how you can use a Smart Duel Gazer to join the room. So if you do need some help, I'll leave a link for that in the description down below. So yeah, the gameplay that you see in the background is a duel of me against SPV, who is a moderator on the Discord server. He's a really nice guy. If you see him, make sure to say hi. But yeah, I've had some great duels with him, and I hope you'll be able to experience the same. I hope you'll be able to check out the applications with some of your friends, or if you're looking for an opponent, you can also join the Discord server and check the Looking for Duel channel. I think the Discord server is the best place to find opponents right now, and it is also very easy to hop into a voice chat with them. But yeah, that's all I have for you right now, so I hope you'll be able to enjoy some duels. And I'm also looking forward to seeing you back again when the next video is released. Until then, stay safe.